Hi guys, Alvin Mark here in Batam. Batam is part of a cluster of islands called the Riau Islands in Indonesia, and the ferry boat ride is just about 40 minutes away from Singapore. Alright guys, we have arrived here in Batam. Batam is a popular tourist destination for those who want to play golf or those who just want to chill out at the plentiful white sandy beaches. But I can promise you this is not that video. Just about a 10-minute journey away from Batam Center, where the ferry boat dropped us, is this abandoned location where about 200 villagers stay here. Most of the families have traveled here to Batam in search for better lives, and a lot of them are from this island called Flores. But unfortunately, the economy here is still slow moving, and thus a lot of them are still unemployed. Hello. Hello.
Kau kemana?
Hello.
Hello.
Santo, who has dedicated his life to helping out this community or this village living here, has contacted a group in Singapore to come help out. So there'll be a lot of help coming just over the weekend for support. And my task here is to make a little mural in that small little makeshift center, social center, that they have.
And now we step by step we learn there to the clean area, to teach them everything.
Okay, hygiene and
Hygiene.
okay,
Yes.
good.
Sometimes every 1 week, these people pray.
Okay.
Before it is not.
Yeah. Also, this is new.
Yes, it's new.
Okay.
From Alex and team help us.
So, while the rest of the volunteers prepare and set up, Santo brought me to a huge DIY store to buy materials.
Okay. Is this
Yeah.
red on red?
Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna get some brushes and some wall paints. And for the dark color or the black, I'm gonna use this color called Sublime Pencil. So it looks like pencil marking. Yeah. Hi guys, we're here at Kimia Pharma and we're here to stock up on some medication, maybe vitamins and minerals under the guidance of a volunteer doctor. But we also realized that a lot of the items they do not carry or are out of stock, so we have to figure that one out as we go along. But first, time to recharge at a local nasi campur restaurant. Hi guys, we are here in, I almost said Bandung. We're still here in Batam, but guess what? Right in front of this martabak stall called Martabak Bandung. martabak. Now it's time to enjoy it. Kasih Pak. Yeah. Guys, welcome to Ruko Dua. There are actually 400 families here. 200 on one side, and then there's a garden space that separates the other 200 families over on the other side. This was an abandoned project that these villagers from Flores moved into 15 years ago. The classroom has been transformed into Santa's toy factory, where presents await the kids as soon as they're done with their health screening. Finally, it's time. The room is packed with people, and since I don't have the space to walk back and forth for sizing purposes, I seek the aid from a mini projector to help me draw within my confined space. Updates. So I've got some kids down here, a teacher, a chalkboard, the trees from out there, and the abandoned buildings. I think I got another 2.5 more hours.
Is Pinsu.
Okay, Pinsu's gonna do a graffiti of my name. Check it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tahu deh bikin. Alfi, iya kan? Tahu kan ya Alfi.
He's writing my name, Amanda.
Wait.
Wow, bagus. Wow, makasih. Wasn't that cool? Thank you. The day was long, but it was filled with love. Friendships were rekindled and new ones formed. There was fellowship, food, and fun. Life's simple lessons were rehashed. Health screening completed. Mandatory school dance performance executed perfectly. Daily sustenance were handed out, and mural done. And guys, it's just me, Santo, and the teacher of this school left here. Everyone has gone, and I'm done with the mural. Yay. Habis. Yeah. Guys, I hope you like watching the entire process on how I created the mural. It's time to go back and get a nice shower. Our task here is complete, but not for Santo. He will continue to keep an eye out for the community here and keep Alex's team posted if anything needs to be addressed. For now, we bid goodbye to Ruko Dua. Till the next time we meet.